Here's a 1996 Dodge with a Cummins 12 valve in it. I've owned for a couple of years, and it had a prime lock fuel system just to relocate the fuel filter, and a 2-tank system, and this is the fuel heater, fuel temp sensor, pre-screen in here, and basically it was getting long crank times, wouldn't start, losing power, under acceleration, kind of chug out. So I put a new lift pump in it and got rid of this. This fuel 2-tank system was leaking, and this prime lock burned a lot of biodiesel in this thing. I mean, just look at these fuel lines. So I finally got rid of all that and put in a manual shut off. So hopefully be a pretty good truck again. Has around 400,000 miles on it.